Hello everyone. Today we'll be touring the Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa. We're going to take our walking tour and show you the details of the property. Remember to give the video a like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you.
La gente buena. Hey, ¿qué tal? Buen día, buen día, buen día.
From the Google Plus to the beach. Okay. Yeah. We're considering to create another reception by the main lobby. In order that you don't want to come down here, you can check it there or here. It's gonna be open to the preferences. Even when they close, they have the trolley there waiting for them. They're gonna have that option as well.
Here we have an Allure Suite swim out on the Breathless side. And this does have the balcony jacuzzi. And there you have your swim out. And so while we're here on the Breathless side, this is the border to the Dreams Onyx side. So just across the walkway, there's the Dreams Onyx Resort. And when you're staying here on Breathless, you do have access to Dreams Onyx. And this is the main buffet that's here in front of us here. So you do have access to that resort when you're staying here on Breathless. And if you're an adult who's staying on the Dreams Onyx side, you do have access to the common areas here on the Breathless side.